Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Tesla yesterday had their earnings call. It dropped 4% after hours. Why? Because they said that they're going to reduce production for Q3 because they're going to upgrade their plant. I'm going to do technicals on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tesla. I'll try to do Tesla at the end if I get through to it. Make sure to watch through the end. If not, I'll do it in the next video in 12 hours. Hit the subscribe button, smash the thumb button. Join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. Learn, study from me. This is free. This is not financial advice. You have to make your own decisions. This is what I'm doing in the markets, what I'm doing with my money, with my trades, and I'm going to show you Bitcoin trades. I've been trading 22 years. I've got 10,000 students taking my courses, 9,000 of you in the Telegram. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We go into the So now I'm trading view. I teach you how to use this in the crypto mastercourse. Number 1 in the description. Market: Amazon 1.9%, Meta 1.2%, Apple 0.7%, MCRT 0.17%. Bitcoin slightly down, under 30k right now, which is not so nice. You can see Bitcoin is moving since the beginning of the year in this channel. It's been climbing in this channel, and you can see that we're in a bull flag right now. Let's go closer. Bitcoin indicator bot is crypto group bot is still saying a blue buy on the weekly and the daily. It hasn't flipped to a red sell yet, and you can see we are in this bull flag here. I drew this yellow dotted line back on the 7th of June, and we've been following quite accurately, but now it's moving to the side. We are still in this bull flag here. Pole and then flag builds sideways and then moves out of the formation to the distance of the pole with the target of around 35,000. Stochastic is oversold on the daily, turning up. On the 4-hourly, also oversold, turning up. Yesterday it came down actually. Did I activate the trade from yesterday's video? Yes, it did activate the trade from yesterday's video. The last video, no. It still hasn't come down and activated it yet. But this kind of looks like a bit of a rounding top here, which is not so nice. You can see here that Bitcoin is rounding top, which is not beautiful. We need it to break. It's still moving for the whole month actually, between 30k, 29k, 30k, 31k, 29k, moving sideways. Volume is still good. Let's check what volume is doing. Volume is still increasing. Bitcoin indicator bot, let's see what that says on the weekly. It said sell. It said a buy down here and a sell up there. But it hasn't pulled back much, Bitcoin, at all. Every time we've been moving up, no real pullbacks, which is interesting. But again, it does look like it's rounding, topping here, which is not so nice. Where I would go long on Bitcoin is still from this support line here, this channel. I would still take the long from there. From this support, stop loss just underneath. We don't need to take much risk because we've got supports there, and take profit at the top of the channel, this bigger overall channel that I showed you. 42 risk to reward ratio. I would open the trade right now. I would set the trade at 29,000. Let's move it to the side so we can see if it activates. Opening the trade 29,377, stop loss 29,079, and take profit at 40,500. Risk to reward set 37, risking $298 to make $11,198 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $110,000. With 100x leverage, it's 1.1 million. And that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Let's go into Ethereum now. We're in Ethereum, and you can see Ethereum bull flag here as well on the 4-hourly. Let's check the indicator bots. On the daily, Crypto Guru bot is showing, you get it in the master course again, number 1 in the description. Crypto Guru bot saying a blue buy. Bitcoin indicator bot is showing on the weekly a buy also on Ethereum, which is beautiful. And yesterday's trade on Ethereum, it activated yesterday's trade, and look at this. This was yesterday's trade. I had the trade open at 1895. Stop loss was 188.0.53. Yesterday it came down, activated the trade in the last 4 hours. Look at this. It came down and almost, look, it went to 1,880.55. You can see on the top left. Everyone see on the top left? Low 1,885.00. No, sorry, 1,880.55. And you can see my stop loss here is 1,880.53. So it's 2 cents off hitting my stop loss, which is incredible. And then it pumped into, it's still negative on yesterday's trade, actually slightly. I mean, it's it's oversold a lot here. Oversold. If we took that trade yesterday, it's slightly in the loss. It's in the loss by about a few percent here. Around $8 per Ethereum. I would close this trade in a loss if you're in this Ethereum trade from yesterday. Or actually, no, I wouldn't. Don't do that. Actually, because look, this trend line. If we move this trend line here, it's actually close to the bottom of this trend line on Ethereum. So I would keep this long actually. And if you haven't gone long, or where I would go long again is from this support. But I would move the stop loss. If you are in a Ethereum trade, make sure I would move the stop loss under this support, 1855. I would move it under 185. Actually, 1839 would be the safe place to put that stop loss. And this is the trade I would take on Ethereum. It opens 1871, stop loss 1839. Take profit at 2643. Risk to reward 23 times. Risk. Without leverage, you'll make $771 per Ethereum, 41%. With 10x leverage, will be 410%. 100x leverage will be $70,000 of profits, which will be beautiful. So that's Ethereum, slightly pulling back. Let's look at Tesla now. In after hours, Tesla is down 4% to 270. A bull flag yesterday pumped, broke out, and then got pulled back after hours, back down to around here, down to the month, actually even less, to this support here, 271. If you have not entered, it's still in a bull flag, and there's massive volume on Tesla. The earnings came out last night. The reported earnings was 0.91 cents per share, 13% surprise, and the reported revenues for the quarter was 24.92 billion. Expected was 24.2 billion. So they made surprise 700 million, 2.9%. That was the earnings call. And even with those good earnings, it dropped around 4% after hours when they said they're going to reduce production. But on technicals, it is at a heavy resistance here. But this is a good buying entry at this blue line. 252 and 262 is places to add Tesla. But keep in mind, we bought Tesla down here at $99. So now it's up quite massively actually from the bottom. Tesla's up around, so 271 after hours here. Tesla reached at the peak from the bottom, it was 194%. Now it's at 271, so down here it's still up 165% from the bottom, so keep that in mind. But these, I mean, actually, if you want to be safe, the time to add Tesla is here, 212. Thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my updates on Bitcoin, Tesla, and Ethereum. And this was me on the 2nd of 2023 in February. W formation on the Nasdaq stocks, targets 13,200, 14,000. This was when we were at 11,900. We actually bought the Nasdaq down here at 10,000, but I called this W formation, and now this is 4 months later, exactly as predicted 4 months ago. Nasdaq tech stocks. Now heavy resistance is where we are at 14,353, where we met yesterday. There was heavy resistance, but I think we break through to 14,933 before a big pullback and then continue higher. And that was a great call on the Nasdaq. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do under the video, learn how to trade, jamescryptoguru.com. If you've been losing money in crypto, if you don't know how to set up trades, stop loss, take profit, number 1. 2, trading on Bybit, you get a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. And 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading and discussing together, and some of my students' gains you can just see here. These are some student gains. That was my gains one of the days that I had. This is one of my student gains. Made 2,400 on Ape, 86%, 307%. Thank you for your honesty, man. Really respect the directness. Even when you're in a trade loss, we'll be coming back daily to listen. Peace, bro. Thank you, Axel. And you can just see many of the students' gains. This is also very interesting as well. Periods when to make money. You can see in 2019, it was saying that it was too overvalued. When panics have occurred and will occur again. So in 235, they expect a big panic. In here, years of hard times, low price, a good time to buy stocks, which was actually 2022, 2023, which is very interesting. Thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my updates. Hit the subscribe and smash that thumbs up. But in the next video, I'll do the Nasdaq again in 12 hours before the tech stocks, and I'll do Bitcoin and XRP. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.